You know, sometimes you need to go to the dentist to fix your teeth. And sometimes your bus just needs a grip.
Luckily,
So we're gonna install a grill today.
we got one. Let's open it up. Go.
All right, so you can kind of tell where I got this from, most likely.
CIP1. Free shipping on orders over 100, which is easy to get to if you own multiple Volkswagens like we do.
Yeah, this product here is about $100 when it's on sale.
And this is for 80 to what year? Because I know they changed it.
80 to 92, I believe.
Okay.
I don't know if they changed it in the middle or not, but anyway. Well, no, they did change it somewhere where they went to square headlights. The one with the fog lights is called the South African one. That's just really freaking expensive, like $1,000. So
we went with that.
I've heard you can make this one into a South African or you know, a look-alike or whatever, but I'm not going to cut up a brand new grill. Maybe when it's old and screwed up, maybe I'll do it then.
Just a little bit of tape over here.
I know, you're working too hard. All we got to do is get one end down.
All right.
Yep, it's got the 2-pin emblem.
Or
Dealy? Yeah, for the 2-pin emblem. And so the next thing we got to do is get this emblem off and get it on here. So I'm going to show you how to take these emblem tabs off. The way to do this is you don't pry them. You take them, you grab two sides and you turn them. I'd already taken that one off. Here, this one's still on. You grab two sides equally. Don't squeeze real hard, just enough to get it to turn. And you keep turning it and it'll walk itself up the pin and come right off. So there you go. And then this is the remainder of the old grill. Yeah, that big piece. The whole thing
plastic just disintegrates after being sitting in the sun.
Yeah.
When we went to test drive this vehicle, we after we stopped, we noticed the grill had blown apart after going down the highway. So they definitely don't last too long, but I think 41 years is good enough.
So this is the screws that hold on the grill are not screws. They're more like Zeus tabs, and they come with this. This is very much so rotten or dried rubber grommet. So that goes on the pin. I'm not sure whether it goes on first or last, but anyway, the pin goes into one of these holes like this, and you can just push it in to get it in, right? And it'll stay there, right? You can't turn it out till you turn it 90 degrees, and it'll pop right out. So those two teeth will grab into this this tang that's in here. So, and I have a total of 5 of these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are none in these 2 holes, and I don't know if there ever were, but and yeah, looking at the grill, there's none there either. So yeah, just the 5, and then there's some tabs on the bottom that hold it in. So yeah, let's get this thing apart or out of the package. Let's see what we got.
You got it, or do you need help?
What?
You got it, or do you need help?
I got it. Got a big trash bag that I can put a small body in when I'm done. That'll be useful.
Always cut away from yourself. Remember that. Safety first. Wow.
Yeah,
oh, pretty.
This is a. Yeah, there's a part number.
Can't see it too well, but part number up at the top.
Yeah. I was told that it was some German brand, but actually it says Spain on it, so it's not German. Unless the Germans are making parts in Spain now.
Bit of a difference in those two countries.
So yeah, I don't know if this will go on without removing the headlights, but we're gonna find out. So I'm gonna test fit it real quick. So it's got these 4 pins here that sit on the bottom surface.
Wait, let me. Yeah, like that.
And it looks like a little bit of molding.
Extra.
Yeah, extras that you might want to. Oh, that's not good.
That's not supposed to be there.
Yeah. So. Yeah, and like here's the little molding overrun. That stuff should be broken out. Yeah, so I may have to clean this up with a knife a little bit.
Knife or razor blade, just something with a good enough blade to be able to.
Yeah, it should be thin where the
lap is, or over.
Yeah, the extra plastic.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna contact them about the
Little hole.
the hole there and see what they say, because it's cracked too. There's a small crack there. If you move your head out of the sun, you see there's a crack there. So
It could have been. I don't think it was due to shipping, but the box that this came in was definitely a little beat up, because I guess they weren't too fragile with it, which is a little annoying considering you pay for something delicate and then they don't treat it delicately when they ship it. So, does it look like we have to take lights out or not?
I don't know yet.
You need me to?
Yeah, that one got in. No, I think I got it.
All right, so you do not have to take the headlights out. Of course, this is just a test fit, so we're going to take it back off to get the emblem, and then once we get the emblem on, we'll be able to put the tabs on. But you can see it already looks way better, even without the VW emblem, just because.
Here, I can set the emblem in there. We can take a look.
Without it, it looks toothless. Like you knock someone's 2 front teeth out.
Yeah. Before we got done with the dentist, waiting for the dentures to be shipped. There you go. Got the dentures in.
See, like, just get a shot right there.
Whoa! Don't let the whole thing fall off.
Yeah, don't let it fall. But yeah, it looks way better. So we're gonna go ahead and get the emblem on, and then we'll come back once we get it ready to install for the final time, hopefully. So when putting the emblem on, you just put the pins in the hole and then take these 2 little guys and squish them down with pliers. It's basically, I started on the rim, wiggled it on until it got on there, and then moved to the inside and pushed it down. So that, was able to get it on just by pushing down like that, down around it. So, so now I'm going to show you how to put there's 5 of these tabs. Always fun to step on a bubble wrap. So I've got the other end of this on the bubble wrap so I don't scratch it all up. So you can see here, here's one of the holes where the thing's gonna go. So here's it's got a shoulder on the screw. You can see that there, the shoulder, and so you put the screw in, and then whatever it's called, the tab, and then you put the rubber grommet on there, so that it will hold it in place. And just kind of squish that around,
And like I said, there's 5 of these on the top row. And you get it so, you know, once it's in there, it'll be past the top edge of the, which you can't really see it there, but it's on there. It's past the top edge of the shoulder. So that'll hold the screw into there while you put it on. So, all right, that's how you put the screws in. And in just a second, we're gonna be putting it on the bus. Actually, the Vanagon. All right, GoPro, stop recording.
We're going.
So here we go, we're gonna put it on. Like I said, there's the 4 tabs. And just from the test fit, it seemed like the ones under the headlights were harder to get in than, it's kind of like the natural thing you're gonna see with anything that's kind of bowed. Work them in as you get it, okay? And you can see the tabs along the bottom that are not in.
You're out over here, I think.
Okay, I want to work from this side across. Okay, so this side is going in. I don't want to lock it down yet. That's in. That's in. And right here, this one is not, obviously. Headlight is not forgiving, it does not move. I got one of my Zeus tabs and caught in already, so let me grab a screwdriver. Excuse me. So the way, again, the way to get these out is give them a half turn, and they'll pop right out. Now, trying to push that in and bend it. There you go. Okay, so tab. So I think these are in. Let me push them to make sure. And when there, that one was not in. When the screw head is straight across, that's the latching point. All right, there it is. That looks so much better. Wow. It's amazing what $100 will do to make things look better. So, all right, there it is.